What up? About to start putting this transmission in. About to fill this torque converter up. Can't see in there, but yeah. About to go ahead and fill that on up. I don't own no rights to the music if you can hear it. As you can see, I made a little mess the first time, but I went and got my little homemade funnel. Yeah, so. Well, overflowed at that time. That's alright though. We all make mistakes. Yeah. But that's what I'm doing right now, filling up the transmission. Ooh, not over. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, filling up the transmission. So, you alright over there? Yeah. Oh, okay. You know, he kind of goofy. Yeah, you a camera nigga. Yeah, you gonna be worldwide. YouTube. Yep. Yeah, so don't get nervous now. You on YouTube, hey, young man.
We working on a truck.
Yeah, okay.
What we doing now? What you putting in? Transmission fluid?
Yeah, we working on the truck, but you don't know what we be doing. You kind of.
You like that transmission in?
Okay, you know a little something, I guess.
You think you got to put up motor together?
Yeah.
I know a little bit. You teach me a little bit.
Yeah. Y'all heard that? He said I was teaching him a little bit. We was gonna put a transmission in that, but that transmission is different than one that's in there, so we ain't gonna fool with it. But so till next time. But anyway, like I say, putting the transmission fluid in the torque converter, get ready to put it in, gonna change the seal, the gasket, you know. So right now, what's up, y'all? Shit, give y'all an update. Man, I'm about to put this on in there. I gotta change my fittings on the side. I gotta change them because I got some AM fittings to go in there. Bought some braided hose for that. I got my fittings in here. Got my little AM fittings and stuff for the transmission. So, got all that up in here. So I'm ready for that. Gonna put these joints in. Get them all ready to go. Alright, I Gotta be a 19 millimeter then. This my hose right here.
I just need some closure. Ain't no turning back for me. I'm in it till it's over.
Yeah. Front to back. So, yeah. So, and climb in and show y'all. Shit. Got that transmission in. Shit, it took me about 30 minutes to get it up in there. Shit. Y'all see it made it to the back of it. Yeah. Got the tranny up in there. See the crossman back there. I gotta change the crossman mount. Still got the trailblazer mount, but I got a regular mount. I gotta put on there. That's what I'm about to do. But yeah, it's up in there. Still a little tranny fluid before I put the plug in there, but like I said, shit, she about ready. I'm about to change this mount and get it put up in here.